Netstat is a command line network utility that displays network connections for transmission control protocol, routing tables, and a number of network interface and network protocols. To use this tool, you need to type netstat followed by your preferred flags. Netstat tag A, tag N, tag O shows us different information. Tag A displays all connections and listening ports. Tag N displays addresses and port numbers in numerical form. And tag O displays the owning process ID associated with each connection. We can combine all flags together and write the above command like so. Netstat tag ANO shows the same results.